Hi, Jay Scheit from Bedford Industries sales team. Thanks for joining us today as we talk about the ElastiTag and Northfield ElastiTag automation. But before we talk about those, I just want to say thank you for joining us at this Pack Expo virtual format. We're so used to engaging with our customers at the show, but because of COVID-19, that's not a possibility this year. But we remain very grateful to have this virtual format to still engage with our customers. So thanks for being with us today. With that said, let's talk about the ElastiTag. As we all know, competition can be very stiff in retail. Retail shelves are saturated, and on a daily basis, we have customers reaching out to Bedford for ideas to have their products stand out from their competitors. That's where the ElastiTag comes into play. The ElastiTag is a point-of-sale marketing device that attracts attention to your product, it increases the likelihood of shoppers selecting your product, the loop is durable and it grips your product and it won't fall off in transit. Last but not least, it has a very professional and high-end appearance compared to string tags or paper cutout tags. I have a few examples by me at this table and I'd like to show you. This is a liquor bottle that uses our ElastiTag. We're going to show you about the automation features, but for the sake of talking about the features of the ElastiTag itself, I'm just going to apply by hand. As you can see, I applied the ElastiTag and I'm trying to make it move, but it's not going anywhere. It's exactly where I applied it. Same for this bottle. As you can see, the ElastiTag stays in place and it has a very high-end appearance. One of the first questions that we are asked is, how are these tags applied? Many of these tags are applied by hand, much like I just showed you. However, we are very excited to partner with Northfield Corporation for a machine solution. We manufacture specific die lines that we spool up and run with Northfield equipment, and we can automate our ElastiTag at rates of up to 180 tags per minute. If you have a project, we will do testing at Northfield to ensure effectiveness of application and provide line speeds that you can expect for your project. Now, let's take a look at one of our customers who automates the ElastiTag with the Northfield ElastiTag Applicator. Take a look. As you may have noticed in the video, Heaven Hill Distilleries was running a square tag. We received many requests throughout the years to run shape tags as well, and we've always been limited because of how we spool the tags. The standard Northfield ElastiTag applicator processes tags that we connect side by side with a perforation. This would be an example of the standard formatting. As you can see, the tags are connected side by side and easily come off with a perforation. Since shape tags do not have a flat side, we were unable to spool these tags effectively. However, we found a way to spool shape tags with an adhesive release liner. Here's an example of how we're currently spooling our shapes. They're no longer connected with a perforation, but rather connected with the adhesive release liner. Once we were able to spool the tags in this format, we hooked up with Northfield to see if they could automate it, and they were able to. The application speeds are the same at up to 180 tags per minute. So let's take a look at the Northfield Shape ElastiTag Applicator in action. Pretty cool, huh? At this point, you've definitely seen the ElastiTag applicator in action for the beverage and spirits market, but Northfield has been very innovative in developing special handling systems for applying smaller bottles such as home fragrance, nail polish, and other liquid-filled bottles. You can even use the Northfield ElastiTag applicator for semi-automatic applications. We often see this in the produce industry and even dog and pet treats. Let's take a peek at some of these applications. As you just saw, the possibilities are endless for the ElastiTag and Northfield ElastiTag automation. The ElastiTag truly is a very versatile marketing and promotional tool. Whether it be hand applied or automatically applied with Northfield ElastiTag equipment, we definitely have options for you. Do you have a project in mind? We'd love to discuss further. Thank you so much for joining us today.